Good morning guys. So it's that time again where I need to dye my hair. No, it kind of is what it is. I've washed my hair today, but I had to throw it up because of walking Edgar and stuff. Look at my office right now. Look at this office. This is too much. So I have the air in here because the air has to live in here. This is obviously my get ready space. What are these? Oh, what are these babies doing here? I was doing some photos of the dogs yesterday, so they are here and not at the studio. So I need to start trying to do some more vlogs again because I'm quite aware that, well, I've become aware. Excuse you. I know what you're doing. You're getting me a copyright strike. How dare you? No, I was not listening to that. It was an advert for something. Like a Beats advert or something, I don't know. Shall we let my hair down and see what's going on underneath this bun? Ooh, crazy. So, yeah. But yeah, I have been going back and watching some of my old vlogs and stuff and realised I actually miss posting stuff, and it's getting to a point now where I want to start posting stuff again. Everything is completely different now to some of the ones I was watching. Things are so different. Life is completely different. But I kind of just want to get on with it and carry on as we were and try and get back to doing some more stuff for you guys. Yeah, just so that I can look back again and do this and see some more content instead of like nothing. So my hair is too crazy. This is too much. It's too much. So what's going on today? Oh, my hair is going on today. I have some photos that I want to get edited, and I might film some videos. We'll see. That's my plan anyway for today. Nothing too crazy. It is a Monday. Had a lot. Didn't have too much like actually going on over the weekend, but I've been taking bookings and stuff like that. Working, selling things, you know, so that's what I've been doing. And today, my hair's just, oh god, what is actually, I thought that was a really nice curl then, and it's not. It's just gross. It's just kinked. So I'm probably going to sort my hair out, if nothing else. I let it dry naturally, you see, today. That's the problem. When it dries naturally, it turns out like this. Whatever this even is. So, yeah. I'm wondering if there's like any house stuff. Hello? Focus? Thank you. Any like house stuff to update you on other than that door? I don't know if I've showed you guys this, but obviously if you guys watched my house tour from before when we first moved in, we had a door here that because of the sofa, I ordered this sofa and it's too long. You can see like there, it overhangs. So what we had to do is we had to get a bifolding door, so it folds. It's one of those doors that folds in the middle. Try and show you guys. So you still have to kind of work with it. So it's one of these sorts of doors, and then this is like now shoe cupboard and stuff. We are still like working on it. It's not the greatest in here. It's still like a little bit of a hot mess in here. The only thing you have to remember to do is shut the door and don't trap your fingers in here or any part of you. I trapped my elbow in here the other day and it really hurt. Also, how cool is this? Look at this trunk. This trunk was at my nan's house. My mum and dad found it there and they gave it to me, and I'm actually going to use it for our wedding. I'm going to use it to put the cards in. I did mention that in my wedding planning video, which should be up before this one. I am going to edit that today. That's going to be my first thing I'm going to do actually. And then here are my favourite boys. So here's Edgar Pie. What? Lawrence? Lawrence is so much, so extra. Here's Edgar. Hey Ed! Edgar! Edgar's really quiet today. I don't know what's wrong with him today. Ed has days where he's not quite himself. But I am going to discuss probably why this is. in his health update and stuff. Oh, he will kill Lawrence if Lawrence takes that crock off him. He will kill him. He won't really, but he'll give him a good boy. He's not even eating it. It's just yours, isn't it, baby? Is that yours? Thank you. And then Lawrence is here, just trying to menace everyone, trying to be a pain. Are you trying to be a pain? Are you a pain? You're always a pain. Look at this. He's eaten so much this morning. To you too. I cannot get a video of Lawrence like in focus because he moves so freaking quick. You know? Here we go. Let's see what we can get. Probably the best you're gonna get, guys. Oh, Edgar, are you licking yours? Oh, sweetie pie. Oh, baby. No, I love him. He's so soft. Edgar's still my best #1 boy. Sorry, Lawrence. Lawrence is a menace to me. He does things to piss me off, whereas Edgar is my sweetie pie. Oh, no. So today, I just told you what I'm going to do. I'm currently watching a game. I don't know if anyone else likes watching gameplay on like YouTube, but I do. I'm currently rewatching Metal Gear Solid 3, which is one of my favourite games. Snake Eater is that one. So, oh my god, my hair's so crazy. The lighting in this house when the weather's like this isn't the greatest, so I'm actually really glad I've got those lights. Let's look at this. Ugh. Oh, we got rid of the tree in the bottom of the garden. I don't know if you guys will even clock that, but there were a load of weeds down here that I pulled out. There were a load of things planted, like bulbs and stuff that were just shrubs that I took out down here. And then we took out that tree. At the end you can just see where my finger is, the stump kind of bit of it, because and we tried to get rid of some of the ivy as well because he was dead, and we don't know what's been making it ill, so it could be like anything like that, we don't know. So we have noticed he's been quite a bit better since we sorted out the garden a bit, but we are planning on turfing it this year, getting some grass down so that we have a proper doggo garden for the boys. So yeah, that's our plan so far. Guys, I've got a Lawrence. I'm going to Lawrence. Oh, he's being a squirmy one. Oh, Lawrence is such a kissy boy. Edgar used to be a kissy boy. And then he grew up, but now he's not a kissy boy anymore. Oh, that was in my mouth. How randy are you? Turn around, Lawrence Pugs. Lawrence just likes to get everyone's warmth off them. At this point, don't you, mate? Look at that wrinkly face. His wrinkles on his face, like, and his hair is so much darker than Edgar's. They look completely different dogs. So different. But, yeah, I've had people before where they're like, oh, they look the same. And it's like, no, they really don't. They are such different dogs. In, like, every sense of the word. I've got things to do, Lawrence Pug. I might have to pop him in a bed. He just craves the warmth so bad though. Bless him. Quick update, guys. This is happening.
We're good.
Edgar's over there.
Now we're just gonna sit back and enjoy the ride one more time.
There he is. Oh, hello. Hello, Nico Sausage. think it's safe to say that this is going to impede my progress throughout the day. Me, little one. Hello guys, so I'm back with my crazy hair. It's still crazy. I'm kind of getting used to it. I think the crazy might be calming down just a bit. I'm not really sure. So my laptop's reflecting on me and making for the most horrible complexion right now. So I've just finished editing 2 videos. I had a wedding planning one to edit, and I had a swatch video that I have edited as well. So these 2, the first one's uploading. I'm waiting to upload the second one now. So the wedding one is currently uploading at the moment, and then the other one is, if we scroll down here, the other one is here. I've just finished and exported, so I need to go and take a thumbnail for this. So I'm going to do that in a minute, I think. And yeah, I'm cooking some lunch too. And I don't know why my eyes are so red here. I don't even know. Maybe I need new eye cream. I've been using the usual eye cream that I always use, but I haven't like used, it's quite an old one now, so maybe I need to get a new one.